Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. The Kingston Public Hospital will face another maintenance audit amidst ongoing concern about infrastructure at the 245-year-old facility. The government says it is making progress on plans to relocate and expand the hospital. Giovanni Dennis reports.
A move to remedy growing infrastructural issues at the Kingston Public Hospital KPH.
I am asking the Regional Health Authority to spend some time auditing the maintenance arrangement at KPH.
The Health Minister's request comes after multiple operating theatres were forced shut in February for repairs after faulty air conditioning and mold concerns, triggering widespread criticisms from the parliamentary opposition. On Friday, 4 of the major theatres were reopened, with work continuing on another 3. The government is trying to avoid a repeat.
I want a report from the board through the regional authority working with the local team here.
Opposition spokesman on health, Dr. Alfred Dawes, has been critical of the government in recent weeks, saying if there is no meaningful intervention, KPH could become another Cornwall regional.
If we have an old plant, as is the case with an antique car, more time will have to be spent giving it routine servicing. What it means is scheduling, shutting down one to spend a week on it to deep clean, to change whatever parts need to be changed, use 3 in the meantime, rather than wait until we get to a stage where all have to shut down because we haven't really done the type of nuts and bolts inspections that are necessary.
In the meantime, Dr. Tufton is reminding Jamaicans that plans are afoot to relocate the island's largest hospital.
We're going to have to look at the plant in its totality. We have started that. We have started that by looking at things like the electrical system, the plumbing system. There's a committee that is set up, chaired by the permanent secretary for the past 2 years, and some works have been approved. But Cabinet has also weighed in on it based on my own representation and the leadership of the Prime Minister to look at a full overhauling of the KPH services within a new building setting.
The relocation of KPH has been on the table for quite some time. The government says it's now at the stage where it's looking at different suitable locations.
And we are at an advanced stage of discussions around lands that are available in and around this area. And as I have said before, I will elaborate more decisively on this once we conclude those discussions.
But the timing of the update may raise some eyebrows, given the country is months away from a general election.
Some may argue that it is just a promise, and particularly in this season, promises tend to be made, and I appreciate that cynicism where it exists, but I ask them to consider what is being done now elsewhere as part of the confidence that they should have in any commitments that we make. If you go to Spanish Town now, there's a 6-story, $40 million building that is under construction as we speak.
Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.
Pawns up.